Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to get the Google AI API key. So the first step would be open up any web browser and search Google AI for developers on the search bar. Click on the first link. Once you click on that link, you'll be redirected to this page. You just have to click on Get API Key in Google AI Studio. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to this page. You just have to accept all the terms and conditions by checking up the box and clicking on Continue. Once you do that, on the left hand side, you can see Get API Key. Click on Get API Key. And once you click on that, you can see here Create API Key. You just have to click on Create API Key and create an API key in a new project. So select that option. And now you have successfully generated an API key. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.